Welcome to the AI Millionaire Movement. If you're looking to make money online using AI tools, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about Invideo AI, an incredibly powerful platform that can help you create high-quality videos and start earning online in no time. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or someone interested in monetizing your skills online, Invideo AI is a game changer. You'll see how this platform can save you time, boost your creativity, and open doors to multiple online income streams. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement, hit the like button, don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI strategies and insights. Your support allows us to keep bringing you valuable content and help you succeed in the fast-growing world of AI. So, what exactly is Invideo AI? Invideo is an online video creation platform that combines artificial intelligence with an intuitive interface to help you create stunning videos in minutes. Unlike traditional video editing software that requires a steep learning curve, Invideo allows you to make professional-grade videos without needing any previous editing experience. With Invideo AI, you get access to advanced features like automatic video generation, script-based editing, AI-powered voiceovers, and more. It's a tool that caters to both beginners and experienced creators looking to scale up their content production. Now, you might be wondering, how can I make money using Invideo AI? Let's break it down. One of the most common ways people make money online is through platforms like YouTube. However, creating high-quality videos consistently can be time-consuming. This is where Invideo AI shines. With Invideo AI, you can produce polished YouTube videos quickly. Whether you're creating tutorials, explainer videos, product reviews, or vlogs, Invideo gives you the tools to turn your ideas into videos effortlessly. Plus, with AI-powered text-to-speech, you can create voiceovers without needing a professional recording setup. This is especially useful for creating content in niche markets like educational videos or commentary channels. By creating and uploading videos regularly, you can start monetizing your YouTube channel through AdSense, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. The more engaging content you create, the higher your chances of earning passive income from your videos. Social media is another lucrative space for making money online. Businesses and influencers need engaging content for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Invideo AI can help you create these types of videos with minimal effort. Invideo allows you to create high-quality promotional videos, ads, and storytelling content with ease. You can tailor your videos to meet the specific needs of each platform: square videos for Instagram, vertical videos for TikTok, and so on. By creating content consistently and monetizing it through brand partnerships or product promotions, you can generate a steady income stream. Many creators and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality video content, so there's a huge market here. If you're looking to generate income without being a creator yourself, you can use Invideo AI to offer video creation as a service. Small businesses, coaches, influencers, and online entrepreneurs are always looking for affordable video content to promote their products or services. With Invideo AI, you can take client briefs and quickly turn them into professional videos. Whether it's for social media ads, YouTube content, or marketing videos, your clients will appreciate how quickly and affordably you can deliver. The best part is, because you're leveraging AI, you can scale up your service and take on more clients without feeling overwhelmed. Here's a quick rundown of its features. Templates for every niche. Invideo AI offers a wide variety of templates for different niches. Whether you're creating an educational video, marketing content, or social media post, you can find a template that suits your style and needs. Text to video. Invideo AI's text-to-video feature allows you to input a script, and the platform will automatically turn it into a fully edited video. You can choose from a library of stock footage, images, and animations to make your video engaging. AI voiceover. If you don't have a microphone or prefer not to record your own voice, Invideo AI has a built-in voiceover feature. You can choose from multiple AI voices, and the platform will read your script in a natural-sounding voice. Customization options. Once you've selected a template or generated a video, you can fully customize it. Add your branding, change the colors, fonts, and even tweak animations to match your style. Easy exporting. When you're done, exporting your video is a breeze. Invideo lets you download your content in different formats and resolutions to fit your needs. You can share it directly to social media or upload it to your website. Invideo AI is an incredible tool that can help you create high-quality video content quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to start a YouTube channel, offer video services, Invideo AI has you covered. With the power of AI, you can scale your content production, increase engagement, and generate multiple streams of income online. It's a tool that simplifies the process of video creation, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: growing your online business and achieving financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to the AI Millionaire Movement for more tips on making money online using AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others who are interested in making money online.